Hi, Cherry from Team UK Car Dealership. RM11 3UB is the postcode, so I'll show you Toyota Voxy which is for sale. I'll give you a quick overview and I'll show you the exterior side. Clean condition inside and out. Now I will show you a quick interior. Clean seats. It's up to you if you want to change seats to leather or not, or you want to use it stock variant. Cruise control, indicator left and right. It does have reversing camera as well. So I'll just quickly. This is the handbrake here. Power button. Inside you've got a 7-8 seat. It's an 8-seater car. Seats are movable and adjustable with holding cups. I'll show you the boot. We have plenty of space here in the boot. After just folding the seats, you got plenty of boot space here in the Voxy car. So yeah, we have many different cars here. You can come over. Our company name TM UK Trading Ltd.